21. A partnership maintains both current and capital account for each partner. An inexperienced bookkeeper prepared the following account. Current and capital account means business is following fixed capital account method. In the capital account only in the capital account they enter capital amount. All the other adjustment goes to current account. But here capital is given 100,000. But by mistake he entered loan amount. It will not enter here, it goes to loan account. Interest on capital goes to current account. So the balance also wrong. Actually the amount is only 100,000 should show in the capital account. What should appear as the closing balance on a capital account? Correct answer is B. The correct answer is B. Next, 22. Z Limited provided the following information: debenture, general reserve, ordinary share capital, retained earnings, short-term loan. What was the equity? Question is, what is the equity? Equity means capital amount. In the limited company, capital means shareholders fund. Shareholders fund include general reserve, ordinary shares, retained earnings. Debenture and short-term bank loan. Debenture is the long-term loan. Short-term bank loan is the current liability. So these three are the total equity. 25,000, 25,000 plus 300,000 plus 75,000 is equal to 400,000. Correct answer is B. Question number 23. Which statement about preference share not correct? What is not correct about preference shares? First option, preference shareholders do not have voting rights. That is correct. But what is not correct about preference shares? So this is not the correct answer. Preference shareholders, they don't have any voting rights. They will get the fixed dividend. So this is not the correct answer. Preference shareholders have prior claim. Yes, they have the prior claim. This also correct about preference shares. So first three are wrong. The fourth one is preference shareholders receive their dividend after ordinary shareholders. No, preference holders receive their dividend before ordinary shareholders. So this option is not correct about the preference shareholders. So the correct answer is D. Question number 24. A sports club was formed on 1st September 2019, which may appear in the receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st August. Receipts and payment account in the club means same like cash book in the business. In the profit sports club, a club is the non-profit organization. They are preparing receipts and payments account instead of cash book in the profit organization. So this is same like cash book. So the first option, closing bank balance. Yes, closing bank balance show in the receipts and payments account. So the correct option is option A. Club shop, closing inventory. Inventory will not show in the receipts and payments account. Depreciation, it goes to the income and expenditure. Subscription also income and expenditure. So the correct answer is option A. Next, question number 25. A manufacturing company provided the following information: cost of raw material, direct wages, depreciation, salary, rent, repair. The question is, what was the prime cost of manufacturing? Prime cost means what is the direct expense. Prime cost means all the direct expense, raw material, wages and other direct expense. Here raw material and wages, all the other expense are the overhead. This will not be included in the prime cost calculation. So 186 plus 75,000. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is 261,000. So the option B is the correct answer.